Alright, so here I am just idling away. I don't know if you can hear the engine at all, but it is running. Running a little under 1,000, which is normal. No problems at all there. Give me a second, let me get on this road here. Crazy cars. Alright, we're idling away, no problem. Turning on the road. The sound is only when I press the throttle. See, if I'm off of it now, I'm back on. It's kind of like a hollow sound almost. I mean, the transmission is very smooth. Whenever I shift, there's no problems there. But whenever I hit the gas to accelerate, I hope you can hear it on the video here. But it makes a noise regardless of whether the car is warm or not. And sometimes it'll get quite loud. Alright, I'm going to get on the highway here. Get going a bit faster. Please excuse the jerkiness of the car. Driving with one hand is not as easy as it looks. There you go. Can you hear that noise there? It's quite loud. I'm off the gas now. And I'm back on it there. This is normal. Please let me know what's wrong with it. I really want to take it on vacation in a week and a half. Thanks.